Mustang time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1970 Ford Mustang Grande Coupe. Now this is a true Grande Coupe. It does have the 04 in the VIN, which is going to designate it as a Grande hardtop coupe. Of course, the Grande was a kind of a trim level, if you will. Typically more equipment on the Grandes, nicely loaded, more of their upper end. Mustang was kind of a package that came out back in 1970, actually earlier than that. So again, nicely equipped Mustang, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold on this one. 302 underneath the hood. To me, the paint appears to be the medium blue, medium bright blue, I believe it was. As you can see, the grille, chrome grille up front. Of course, the 1970 headlight single with the slat next to it. Dead giveaway for the 1970s. Nice looking front end on this one. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, because I'm going to point out a few things to check out in the still pictures that I can't necessarily show you on this video. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too if you have any questions. 507-386-1726. This particular car is a previous owner for quite some time, so it's been long-term ownership. It was just not driven enough, stored, and it was time to get it out of their storage area, bring it in, and let somebody else enjoy it. Now, there are going to be a few TLC items that need to be taken care of. Maybe bring this one to the next level, or if you want to get in and drive it down the road sometime, they would need to be addressed. All right. First of all, paint exterior looks good with the exception of a spot back here with the white vinyl top. And you know, you see it, it's kind of common. You're starting to get some of the bubbles underneath here. So there's a little rust area underneath that vinyl top area. You're also going to notice a spot where there's been a hole of rust in the trunk of it, and you can see that in the still pictures that I have. Now, alongside this car, take a look up and down the driver's side. See, it's pretty straight though. Get a good eye at that. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, the previous owners of this car have elected to announce a couple things on this, like I'm telling you about, and sell it the way it is and have the price reflect that. One of the things was brakes. It is going to need brake work down the line, and that's something we could do here. We do have a shop. If you purchase a vehicle and like the brakes fixed before it is shipped, not a problem. Again, previous owners' decision to sell it this way and just announce it. And then underneath, if you look at the torque boxes and you're familiar with Mustangs, take a look underneath. There are some spots where it's going to need some attention as far as rust, and especially torque box area on one of them. Look at the underside pics, you'll see what I'm talking about. But again, if you wanted to do the brakes, drive this car the way it is, enjoy it. Hey, that is completely up to you, or if you want to take it to the next level. Once again, those still pictures, so you can check them all out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And again, you can see the paint has a nice luster to it, shows well. Has been repainted. It is a newer paint on it. Interior, blue on black with houndstooth. Interior also nice in this car, so a lot of positives going for the car. Just some things that would need to be addressed. Like I said, maybe you take it to the next level. 302 V8 under the hood again. Ford automatic transmission paired up with that. Now, as far as everything working on the inside, like I said, AC blows cold, wipers work. I had the AM/FM stereo working. It is a little later model retro sound style one. And again, you can see the interior also is in nice shape. Seat belts all intact. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Little aftermarket tack on the steering column. I left the radio on so you can hear that go also, so you can hear the radio. It does work. I'm going to turn that down so we can hear it. It does need the little volume knob on it, but you can still turn it up and down. There's a shifter. Of course, AC controls down below. And again, it does blow cold. You'll be able to hear the compressor kick on. Idles down a little bit. And it doesn't take long to get cold either. Turn that back off. See, fuel gauge appears to work fine. Sorry about the glare. A little tough on these. You get a bright light in here. Amp meter looks like it's working just fine. Tach works. Should have oil pressure over here. That is also working. And temp gauge here, I'm assuming it's going to come up with the temperature of the engine. A little bit of a crack in the dash here. Of course, the iconic 1970 dash, one of everybody's favorites. Alright. And again, wipers work fine. Slip around to the back so you hear that 302. No crazy cam, exhaust, anything like that. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front of this. I'm going to pause this video just a second. Let's get the hood popped, check out that engine bay. See how it looks underneath there, but it's looking pretty stock.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
So I figured, going to look pretty stock underneath there. Looks like we have a newer battery. That 302. AC compressor. And again, power steering, power brakes. Remember that AC is cold. Sounds good underneath there. Also appears to be a newer radiator by the looks of it. There you go, 1974 Mustang Grande Coupe. Check out the still pics. Listen to the things I mentioned. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate, or call in or email.